What's up, everybody? Today we're doing a roof. I forgot my big camera, so I'm gonna be recording on my phone, but let me show y'all what we got going on. We got the gutters being bagged right now. That's what we're looking at. So Dylan.
What's up, bro?
So yeah, guys, I'm gonna try and bring y'all along with us as much as we can. I don't have my tripod or my big camera, so there might be some spots where I can't really record, but I'll try to show you as much as I can, so hope y'all enjoy. All right. So we're flooding that pipe right now to figure out if there's any holes in the bottom or if it all comes out in the driveway. If it all comes out in the driveway, we should see some water, hopefully, pretty soon. If we don't see any water here, then we just need to keep flooding it so this landscape won't get hurt. Because I don't want to really dig all this up to where we can bag the gutters, so just have to see what happens. That's what we're working with right now. As you can see though, man, there's roofs all around here that they have some algae on them. A couple over here. I think this house over here on the other side, there's a few of them over here. A lot of these houses have brand new roofs, so pretty nice. We're gonna get this one all cleaned up though. And that's what we wanted to see right there. So that's a good sign. Cool, let's get started. All right, guys, so we got the treatment on. As you can see, we treated over here, all up here, around this side, down here. We have not treated right there yet. So you can see it's already starting to brighten up. We're gonna let that chemical sit up there for a little bit and do its thing. You can see these darker spots. That's where we might have to go back and hit it with a second treatment, but we're just gonna kind of let it do its thing for a little bit. So sorry y'all couldn't see the process. I mean, we've been here maybe 15-20 minutes. So yeah, I'll show y'all here in a little bit what it looks like. Well, guys, turned out pretty dang good. So we're finishing up. We got all the hoses rolled up. We got everything rinsed down, the windows and everything. Customer came out and checked it out. He said it looks fantastic. So we're gonna get out of here, guys. We're gonna go get something to eat. So I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Say peace out.
Deuces.
Deuces. Later, guys.